Are you considering life insurance but don't know much about it? Well, today I'm going to give you everything you need to know. My name is Julius Gilger, and today I'm going to break down the two different types of life insurance for you and your family. First, we have term insurance. Second is permanent insurance. So the first is term insurance. Now this is the most simplest and affordable type of life insurance. And what this is this is going to give you coverage for a number of years. So during the number of years that you're going to have coverage, the insurance company is going to give you a death benefit. So what that means is if God forbid you pass away, your beneficiary, the person you name on the policy, is going to receive a death benefit that is tax-free. Now, on top of getting a death benefit, some companies and some plans offer living benefits. Now, what this does for you and your family is in the event you get sick but you don't pass away, it's going to allow you to accelerate the death benefit and pull money out of your policy while you're still alive. Now, this covers typically 3 different illnesses. 1, critical illness, which is in the event you have a major disease like heart attack, stroke, cancer, something really serious. The second is a chronic illness where you can't perform 2 out of 6 daily living activities. Things such as eating by yourself, dressing yourself, going to the restroom. You typically need some sort of assistance to do your day-to-day activities. Or third, being terminal illness, which simply means you have less than 1 year left to live. Another option that you can add to your term plan is called return of premium. And simply what that is at the end of your policy, if you don't pass away, and if your policy has a living benefits option and you don't get sick, now return of premium will give you all of your money back. So all the money you paid into the policy, you get it all back, and it's tax-free, so it ends up acting like a savings plan for you and your family for your future. So term insurance is actually the most popular form of life insurance out there today. Now, this is going to allow you to protect your loved ones for a period of time, like we talked about, for certain life scenarios. For example, if 2 people are responsible for a mortgage and one person passes away, that's a loss of income, which could make it very hard for the other person to continue paying that mortgage. A term plan will allow the surviving spouse or partner to have a paid off mortgage if they have enough coverage to take care of that. Another reason why term insurance is so popular is because it allows you as a parent to protect your children in the event that they need to fend for themselves if they can't earn or they're not old enough to start earning by themselves. For example, I have a 10-year-old daughter. If something, God forbid, happened to me, I'd want to make sure that she was not burdened by finances until she was an adult where she can go out and earn on her own. All right, guys, the next type of life insurance is called permanent insurance. And you might have guessed, yes, this is coverage that will last you for your entire lifetime. Now, there's really 2 types of permanent insurance. There's whole life, and then there's universal life. Now, one of the benefits of a permanent type of life insurance is that it's going to build cash value. And cash value allows you to have tax-deferred savings, and depending on how the plan is structured, will allow you to pull money out down the road for a tax-free retirement. Now, whole life is a plan that obviously gives you permanent coverage, and it's going to have a fixed death benefit with a fixed premium. The other option is an index universal life, and the benefit of an index universal life is that it'll give you adjustable premiums, so you can adjust your monthly premiums, and as a result, you will adjust the death benefit in the event that something changes in your life and you need to make some changes to your protection. Now, there are many companies out there that offer these types of plans, and there are some additional options that could either be built into your plan or added onto your plan. For example, living benefits can be added on or can be part of your whole life or permanent plan, depending on the company. Now, there are different ways to structure a whole life and a universal life plan, so you definitely want to reach out to a licensed agent to make sure that you're getting it set up properly. Not only that, there are different options depending on the company that you're working with that can help you and your family protect yourselves. One being living benefits. Lots of these companies now, lots of these plans, they offer living benefits. I strongly suggest you get a plan that has living benefits, because let's face it, guys, people don't always pass right away. Sometimes they get sick and they need money to take care of expenses in the event of something catastrophic happening. And last but not least is retirement planning. One of the biggest advantages of a permanent life insurance plan is you can set up tax advantage plans, which simply just means if structured properly, you can pull out money in retirement tax-free that can help you live the life you want in retirement. Now, there is one other form of permanent insurance which falls under the whole life category, and that is a final expense life insurance plan. So this is designed for seniors who are older in age, maybe have some medical conditions, and maybe just don't have the funds to take care of their burial and funeral costs. And what they're trying to do is avoid being a financial burden on their family. So what they do is they get a final expense life insurance plan to take care of any of their final costs, such as medical, burial, funeral, you name it. That way their family is protected and they have peace of mind. So what's going to be the best option for you? Do you have kids that you want to make sure are protected before they become adults? Do you have a mortgage that you want to make sure is covered? Well, then a term plan may be the best fit for you. Maybe you're looking for a plan that'll give you tax advantages while protecting you and your family. If that's the case, then maybe a permanent life plan is best for you. Or finally, maybe you've been declined for coverage because of age and health. Maybe you want to take care of your family, not leave a financial burden, but you just can't afford to pay the burial and funeral costs. Then a final expense life insurance plan may be the best for you. If you found this video to be helpful, go ahead and make sure you like the video, comment below, and go ahead and subscribe to our page, guys. If you're an agent and you're looking to join the team, go ahead and click the link below, and one of our team members will get back to you within 24 hours.